Cut the wall panels precisely according to the wall dimensions and shape to ensure that each panel fits accurately. Apply the silicone sealant at intervals of 100 mm to 300 mm. This spacing ensures a firm bond between the panels and the wall surface. Fix the panels to the wall using either a pneumatic nail gun or stainless steel clips combined with an electric screwdriver. For the quick installation method, using a pneumatic nail gun to drive steel brad nails along the edges of the panels. For the standard method, use an electric screwdriver to fasten self-tapping screws through stainless steel clips. Before fixing, pre-drill holes at the corresponding positions. Insert plastic anchors, and ensure the spacing between clips is between 300 mm and 400 mm. After installation is completed, use a hand plane and wood chisel to trim the panel edges, ensuring they are smooth and even.